How to fix WhatsApp username feature not showing. So first of all, what you need to do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then make sure you update your app. And if your app is already up to date and you still are not getting the feature, you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall it. Next thing you can do is go to Settings. Scroll down below until you find Apps. Click on it. Then go to App Management. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Click on it. Then click on Force Stop. Then click on Force Stop again. Then go to Storage Uses. Here, click on Clear Cache. Then go and relaunch WhatsApp again. One more thing that you can do is log out of your WhatsApp account and try to log back in. And even after all this, if your WhatsApp is still not showing username feature, simply give it some more time. WhatsApp may still be rolling out the features. And after that, try to check the Play Store again in a few days. Then you will be able to update your WhatsApp. Then the username feature will show. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.